Hello and welcome to Tony Manso Forex. In this video I'm going to show you our support resistance indicator I'm not going to show it to you on a live chart. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to show you in the strategy tester so that you can see it in kind of a time-lapse format and kind of see it moving, at an accelerated rate. So let's get rid of all these things here, and I'm going to set up my trade manager. I guess that's fine the way it is right now. Visual mode, everything looks good. So I am going to oh, I know what I need to do. I do need that market watch. Grab a chart here, and I am going to clear that thing out and put my indicator on there. Hang on a second, let me get that going. Support resistance. And what I'm doing is I'm going to save the tester template so that when I start the strategy test, it automatically loads that template and configures my chart for me. So let's just use a signal bars of, let's do 24, and we'll do a 1 hour chart. And maybe later on I'll do a 5-minute chart with a higher number. Alright, so I've got that. I like my bars here like that, and we're going to save template, and I'm going to save it as tester. Alright, so now I've got my template. I can get rid of this stuff, navigator and that guy gone, strategy tester on. Okay, so now I start my, let's put this guy on 1 hour. I start my test, and I'm going to put this guy at not the maximum speed, but just one below the maximum speed. And it should start moving my chart pretty soon. Okay, there we go. So you can see excuse me, you can see the support resistance lines and a new line that just formed not too long ago. And here's my resistance here. Here's my support. This my support and resistance counts are at 0. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up. I hope it doesn't go too fast, but you'll be able to see the levels change and the numbers change. Alright, ooh, let me do that. Okay, so now it's 1 because it just produced a new, and now it's 2. Every time a new low forms, a lower low, that number goes up. Okay, it's at 4 now. As soon as a new high forms, let's see if hopefully the price will reverse and go up to the top and form new highs. As soon as a new high forms, the bottom number becomes a 0 and the top number starts to increase. Right? So how would you use that? In some cases, you say, let's say the number goes to 2. You say, okay, that could indicate a trend in that direction, so I would sell. Oh, here we go. Both changed to 0. Oh, because I guess we got a higher low. And now here we're going to get a 1. And probably a 2. I'm going to place a sell order and see what happens. It's only got a 30 pip stop loss, so it's, oh, it did, it got out. Okay, we're gonna get another number coming up here soon. That's 1, there goes the 2. I'm gonna do that again. Hey, look, it did it again. Just keep selling, keep selling. Hey, I'm making a killing here. I wish I had this kind of success in real life. Okay. So let's see if we can get this thing to go up. Oh, there, it just broke through the top channel, and now it looks like the resistance numbers are going to go up. All right, perfect. Look at that. So now we're getting higher highs. Right. Let's see, if I get one more high, I'll start placing buys. Let's see if I get just as lucky as I did with the sells. Oh, it reset. So we're gonna do, let's see. I think overall this trend has been more down than up, huh? And anyway, so you can see the levels change, and I think I explained in an earlier video what triggers a new support or resistance level. In each case, if you look back 3 bars, 1, 2, 3, boom, you'll see the high that formed that level, or that triggered that level, or you'll see the low that triggered that level here. There's always 3 bars back from there. Oh, that would have been a nice run to catch on live trading. So anyway, this is, I just wanted to show how the support resistance kind of works in real time. I'm going to show you one more thing though. I'm going to turn this thing off. Let's stop that guy. And this time I'm going to put it on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so make sure I slow it down. 5-minute chart. And I am going to I'm going to close that. Okay, 5-minute chart. There we go. And I'm going to change this period to, let me put that away real quick. I'm going to change this signal bars. Oh, if I can. Change the signal bars to, I don't know, let's do 10 hours, so 120. Okay. Alright, so now what's going to happen, and I'm going to reduce the size, the width of these bars so that you can see more. Oh. Yeah, so you can see more changes in the support and resistance. So what happens here is you'll start seeing lots of changes. So you look at that, that's up at all the way up to 11, 12, 13. So in a case like this, you might say, okay, if the number, if the support number goes above, say, 4 or 5, if it gets to 5, then just start selling, and make sure your stops are far enough out that you don't get stopped out while you're catching this little trend. All right, look, it hit the up. It's now it hit the resistance. And we're looking at, let's shift that over. It got up as high as 6, right? But look at it go. It's going to go, it'll probably go at least to 3. There's 2. There's 3. Oh, 4. And so if you specify a higher number of signal bars, you won't get as many. Well, wait. Let's change that to an even bigger number. I'm going to change this to well, 120. Let's say 240. Right, 240. Okay. Now look how long sometimes the support or the resistance, the levels will, so one level will change a lot, and while the other one stays like just dead, it won't move at all until the price crosses clear to the other line, and then starts moving that line, and then the other one will be at pretty much at zero for a long period of time. In this case, look at this. The market is just dead flat. Well, sort of. And nothing's happening here. But eventually, oh, there we got a 1. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So what normally would happen is you'll get the price just kind of trending upward, but dipping downward like crazy, and just keep making higher highs. Or you'll get the price, trending downward and peaking upwards, but making lower lows. Right. So watch this support level stays at 0. It's going to stay at 0 for quite a while, until the price gets way back down to the support level. In the meanwhile, the price will tend to be making higher highs. And so you can use just those two numbers on this indicator to plan your trades. Anyway, I just wanted you to see how that all goes, and I thought you'd enjoy seeing that. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.
All right, you are a go. We see the Earth. You got it.